Hey, it's Neha. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am making Cajun chicken pasta. So let's get started. Let's start with marinating our chicken. Let's add in 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, half a tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, half a teaspoon of dried thyme leaves, and salt to taste. So this salt is actually seasoning salt. You can use regular salt if you like. And now let's mix this all together. Let's fry up our chicken. I'm adding some oil to our hot pan here. And then in the meantime, I am boiling my pasta too. So I am using penne pasta for this. I am using 4 chicken thighs for this. You can use chicken breast if you like. And I have about 500 grams of penne pasta boiling. Once the chicken is good to go, just put it in a new bowl. In that same pan, add in some peppers. Once you remove the pepper from the pan, I'm adding in 2.5 cups of heavy cream. So for the seasoning for the sauce, I have the exact same seasoning as I had for the chicken. So just double everything from there. Once your pasta is done boiling, let's add in some cheese. Did I mention this is very cheesy? And if you are lactose intolerant, I would not recommend this recipe. Now add in your chicken and your peppers. I let the sauce simmer for a couple of minutes just so that all the spices marinate well together. And now add this into your pasta. Smells so good. And now just mix it all up together. Look how cheesy that is. So this is my take on the Cajun chicken pasta. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, the like button, and hit that notification to see my newest videos. Thank you so much for watching.